Right, good morning everyone. It's Bob from Greybeard Models and welcome back those who've been before and welcome to those who are just looking in for the first time. It's Remembrance Day, it's the 11th of November, so I've got me poppy on. Um, First and foremost, if you went to Telford, that was a brilliant show, really enjoyed it, and I'd like to just give a big shout out to Liam, who met me as I walked through the door, pretty much. Liam, we had a good chat. I also met up with Crispin over at the Clacton IPMS um, stand. He provided me with some great information on universal carriers, or Brengun carriers as they're known. Uh, I also met up with Jason over there at Model Kit Stuff. He's put a brilliant video out. So I'll put a link to the channel below, and Liam's as well. And also met up with John Alec, who'd come over from the States. It was great to see him. I haven't met him before, but it was great. Really good, really good. The show was great. If you haven't been to Telford before, I would suggest you get yourself a little hole in the calendar for next year. It'll be about this time of year, and prepare to go because it's a show worth seeing. There are literally thousands of great models to see, loads of good trade stands. Excuse me. And take some money with you, because you'll probably spend more than you really bargained for. And I certainly, well, I didn't, but I bought some stuff. What else? Oh yeah, I built. Cough, clearing my throat. I bought a really strange kit. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to get over to the workbench and show you what I got. Well, I saw this. It's a DIY miniature house, and this set is called the Garage or Garage Workshop. The stand I was at had quite a few of these different parts of the house and things, and I just I just saw this and I thought, yeah, got to have a go, and see what I can make of it. It's something different. So let's get it unpacked and we'll have a look at the parts. So I took the sleeve off the box, and it's quite interesting. It's by a company called Row Life. It says small parts, not for children under 3, made in China. Yeah, I mean, there's the barcode if you're interested in trying to find it online. On the back, it says that it's main materials are plywood, paper and plastic, age 14 plus, and all the details about the company. And the distributor in the UK is Robotime Leisure UK Limited. And it also goes down to say here that it needs 2 AAA batteries. There is an LED light for this light there, and it gives you a picture of it there. So let's get the box open and we'll see what's in the box. So get the box open, and nice box, good rigid box. A set of instructions which we'll have a look at shortly. Bits and pieces there for the LED light, battery pack, little screwdriver, little tweezers and stuff like that. The LED is there in the back. That should be interesting. And then there's a bag, another Ziploc bag with various bits and pieces of the workshop. There's some tools and other bits and pieces. They're all self-coloured. This bag here's got, as you can see, it's got wheels and it's like a watering can and stuff to put on the shelves, which would be quite cool. What else we got? Oh, some more bits and pieces. Looks like shelf units and whatnot. There's a plant, a little hand drill thing, bit of brass rod there to do something, and other bits of tools and stuff like that. I mean, they're not, this is, they're quite thick and chunky, so it's not, it's not 100% accurate in terms of like a scale model or something like that. But there's some interesting bits and pieces there. Some more parts. Looks like parts of a unit or some description. Right, this is all sealed together in part one. And there's looks like the back wall of the garage and various probably walls and things, and stickers and things. It looks like boxes there you can fold up, signs, and they look like they're pre-cut. Some more stickers and things to go on the wall. Now what have we got here? Okay, so like a sprue call out. So there's a material list to explain what's in bag in the box. Bag number 1, bag number 5, bag number 6, and bag number 6, bag number 6, right? And bag 7, bag 7, bag 7. And this is almost like a parts call out by the looks of things. That so I'll tell you what bits are where. That's pretty cool, actually. Going to be interesting to put together the stickers and these sort of stickers here for the workshop wall. And none of these, as far as I can tell, are sort of proper known products. So they've made up their own, I think, to probably to sort of save them from, I don't know, paying licensing fees. I mean, that looks like a Texaco star, but it isn't. It says Tex-E-Co, and Pro Mechanics, that looks like a Hot Wheels type thing, and it's turbo wheels, things like that. So yeah, great bit of fun, I think, for somebody to have a go at. So I might change some of those because I've got some stickers for products that are available here in the UK, so I might just change that a little bit. But yeah, we'll get the parts out and we'll have a little start on putting it together. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you've seen. See you later. Bye for now.